Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install pgAdmin 4 on Linux Mint 22.3. Then we will connect PostgreSQL from the pgAdmin. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to pgAdmin official website, that is pgAdmin.org. Click on download now. Then see here in pgAdmin 4 we have the apt. For Debian operating systems we have to click on apt. See, we don't have Linux Mint in this list, but we have the Ubuntu 24.04 because Linux Mint is of type Ubuntu operating system, so it's fine. Then we have to run these commands one by one. So copy these commands, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. Then run this command. It is going to create repository configuration file. Copy it, paste it. Just replace this from dollar to this bracket noble, hit enter. Okay, just I removed from this dollar to this bracket closed parenthesis. Okay, then I have given the noble. Then install pgAdmin. See here we have the two modes, desktop and web mode. If you want to install both the modes, you have to run this command. If you want to install only desktop, you have to run this command. If you want to install pgAdmin web mode, you have to run this command. I want to install both the modes. It is up to you. So execute this command. Control A, paste it, hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now verify pgAdmin. See here we have the pgAdmin 4. Click on it to open. See, you got the pgAdmin 4. Now expand servers. So you don't have any servers. Now to add PostgreSQL server, click on this add new server or right click on this one, then register, then select server, then provide the name can be anything, pg connection, then go to connection, then provide the host name or address where PostgreSQL server is installed. PostgreSQL server is installed on this machine, so localhost is fine, or you can give the IP port number 5432, username, then provide the password, then click on save. See, successfully connected. Expand connection, expand databases, expand logins. See, we have the logins. If you want to run queries against this database, right click, then query tool or PSQL tool. Now we can run the queries. Click on execute. See, we have successfully executed. Okay, this is the desktop tool. The other tool is web tool. If you want to open it, first we have to run this command. Okay, so go to the terminal again, paste it, hit enter, provide any email. Remember this email ID. Later we need this email ID for login. Provide the password, set the password, confirm the same. Yes. See, this is the URL to connect by using web mode. Copy it, go to web browser, new tab, paste it, hit enter. Instead of this IP, that is loopback IP, you can give the localhost also. Here we have to give the email ID, whatever here we have given. See, I have given info@info.com. Then provide the password that we have set for this email. Then click on login. See, successfully connected. Then we have to click on add new server or right click and select register, then select server. Then you have to provide name, then connection. Here don't give this. This is not username. We have to give the username, whatever is there, and the host. Okay, this is the way. So in this video we have seen how to install pgAdmin for latest version on Linux Mint 22.3. Then we have seen how to connect PostgreSQL server from the pgAdmin. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.